Which synonym belongs to ramify? The correct answer is branch. Which synonym belongs to foment? The correct answer is beef. Which synonym belongs to static? The correct answer is still. Which synonym belongs to coin? The correct answer is manufacture. Which synonym belongs to premonition? The correct answer is foreboding. Which synonym belongs to misogynist? The correct answer is misogyne. Which synonym belongs to errant? The correct answer is errant. Which synonym belongs to yokel? The correct answer is lubber. Which synonym belongs to insomnia? The correct answer is sleeplessness. Which synonym belongs to integrate? The correct answer is incorporate. Which synonym belongs to flagrant? The correct answer is glaring. Which synonym belongs to jest? The correct answer is prank. Which synonym belongs to travesty? The correct answer is caricature. Which synonym belongs to aboriginal? The correct answer is native. Which synonym belongs to disputatious? The correct answer is argumentative. Which synonym belongs to functional? The correct answer is utilitarian. Which synonym belongs to skittish? The correct answer is skittery. Which synonym belongs to fatuous? The correct answer is imbecilic. Which synonym belongs to enumerate? The correct answer is number. Which synonym belongs to gall? The correct answer is mu.